Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we will learn something powerful. Do you want to learn English quickly? But you feel stuck? You try again and again. But still, you cannot speak confidently? Don't worry. Today, I will share a powerful story, a story that can change your life. This is the story of Jack Ma, a man who failed many times, but never gave up. And today, he is one of the most successful people in the world. And guess what? English changed his life. Jack Ma was not a good student. He failed. Many exams, he failed in school. Again and again. Later, he applied for jobs. More than 30 jobs. But he got rejected. Every time. Even KFC rejected him. 24 people applied. 23 got selected, only one was rejected. That was Jack Ma. But he did not stop. He did not quit. He kept trying. Now listen carefully. This is the most important part. Jack Ma did not learn English in school. He had no teacher. No course. No money. So what did he do? Every morning, he rode his bicycle for 40 minutes just to go to a hotel where foreigners stayed. Then, he talked to them, he helped them, he guided them, and practiced English every day for 9 years. No shortcut, only practice and consistency. So, speak. Not just watching videos, not just reading books. You must speak. Even if your English is not perfect. Even if you make mistakes, speak anyway. Because mistakes are your best teacher. Most people fail because they are afraid of mistakes, afraid of speaking. They wait for the perfect time. But that time never comes. They watch videos, but they don't practice. And that is the biggest problem. Jack Ma once said, never give up. Today is hard. Tomorrow will be worse. But the day after tomorrow will be sunshine. So don't stop. Keep going. Keep practicing. Now, let me give you a simple plan. Speak English. For 5 minutes every day, talk to yourself. Like this. Today I woke up early. I am feeling good. I am learning English. Then, learn 5 new words. Use them in sentences. Then, watch one short video and repeat. And finally, practice simple conversation. How are you? What are you doing? Where are you going? Simple, but powerful. Remember, you don't need talent. You don't need money. You only need practice, consistency, confidence. Jack Ma had nothing, but today, he inspires millions. Why? Because he never gave up. Now, it's your turn. You have a choice. You can wait, or you can start today. Start speaking. Start practicing. Believe in yourself. English is not difficult. You just need practice. If Jack Ma can do it, you can do it too. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and share. Comment below. I will learn English every day. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Goodbye.